Hi everyone, got another parcel. We're going to open it right now. I believe it's the lock picking kit, the one I did the giveaway with. Just one second. So there's the tension wrenches, a lock picking tool, instructions. Yep. This must be the padlock. Yeah, it is. I'm just going to get straight on with it and have a go at picking this lock. I'll use that one actually. The free one. The wrench. Finally. I'm going to try and do that with an actual padlock, with one of my own. We'll be back in a second. Okay, so I've got a padlock that's my own. I'm not using the practice one this time. It's a little bit rusty, so it might be difficult, but I'll give it a shot. Done. Pretty good. I can't remember how much this cost me. I think it was around about $15, but well worth it if you ask me. So yeah, I gave this away. In a giveaway I created a few weeks ago, and someone called Connor won it. So if you're watching, Connor, well done. I'll be sending this off to you in the next couple of days. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to be notified of new videos and new giveaways. There'll be a new giveaway coming up very soon actually.